I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Apple ID is signed in. This links purchases to your account. Once done, open the Apple Store app and navigate to the account or payment area because that's where you'll add value. Make sure the physical or emailed gift card code is visible and legible so you can type it without errors. If you have a barcode, position it ready for scanning. This first step gets the account and card prepared so the next actions succeed. Now you add the gift card to your Apple ID. Tap your Profile or Account tab, then choose Redeem Gift Card or Payment Settings. This is where the app accepts codes. You can type the alphanumeric code exactly or use the camera to scan the barcode for speed. After entering it, the app will validate and apply the balance to your Apple ID. Make sure to watch for confirmation so you know funds are available. If the balance doesn't show, wait a moment and check payment settings again. Finally, use the balance at checkout by selecting your Apple ID balance as the payment method. The app deducts the amount automatically. If the gift card covers only part of an order, make sure to add an alternate payment method for the remainder. Once the purchase completes, confirm your receipt and updated balance. If something goes wrong, you should first verify the code entry, confirm your network connection, and ensure the card's country matches your Apple ID region. Those fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.